Laravel is a modern open-source web application framework written in PHP that's designed to make development faster, easier, and more efficient. It follows the Model View Controller architecture, which helps organize code into clear sections, models for data, views for the user interface, and controllers for logic and interaction. Laravel is especially known for its elegant syntax and developer-friendly tools, making it one of the most popular PHP frameworks today. One of Laravel's standout features is Artisan, its built-in command line interface. Artisan simplifies repetitive tasks like creating controllers, running database migrations, and managing application logic. Laravel also includes Eloquent ORM, which allows developers to interact with databases using readable, object-oriented code instead of raw SQL. This makes working with data both easier and more secure. Laravel comes packed with built-in features like routing, authentication, email handling, form validation, and even API development. It also supports powerful tools like Blade, Laravel's templating engine, which lets developers embed dynamic content in HTML in a clean and efficient way. Laravel promotes security through built-in protections against threats like cross-site scripting, SQL injection, and cross-site request forgery. The Laravel ecosystem includes robust platforms like Laravel Forge for server deployment, Laravel Nova for admin dashboards, and Laravel Mix for asset management. All of this helps developers move from concept to full deployment with ease. Overall, Laravel is a full-featured, scalable framework ideal for building everything from small websites to large, enterprise-level applications. Its intuitive design and strong community support make it a go-to choice for many PHP developers around the world.